Do you want to know how you can remove the background of your art that you just created in Starry AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove the background of your art in Starry AI. Go ahead and open Starry AI and then log into your account. You can see your creations are over here. Click on any of your creations and you can see remove background. So you can select the image of your choice. Let's suppose I want to remove the background of this image. I will just click remove background. You can see that it is removing background and your creation is processing. There you go, you have just removed the background. This is the image, this is the original one, and if you go a bit there, you can see this is the image whose background has been removed. That's how you remove your background from your art in Starry AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.